Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to connect up a real Wii remote, so one of the Wii Wiimotes, and a Nunchuck up to your computer for Dolphin Wii emulation. I'm doing it on Mac, but the process is basically the same on Linux, Mac and Windows. The only prerequisite is that you need Bluetooth because the Wii remotes connect via Bluetooth. So if you don't have that, you will have to get a Bluetooth dongle, which you can get off Amazon pretty cheap. Okay, so if we launch up Dolphin, and before we even do that, actually, we want to go to the settings. So if you're on Windows or Linux, go to the settings and you want to go to the Bluetooth section. In here, we need to connect up a Wii controller. So I'm just going to show you the actual Wii controller. So we've got the Wii controller right here. And if we pop off the back, there's a red button. There is a sync button. I'm sure you've used it before. So if you press that once, it goes into sync mode. And on the computer, it will pop up right here. Click connect and it'll connect. This will still keep flashing until we actually go onto the game, onto any game. So just leave that. I'm going to leave that right there. You can see it's flashing. And what you want to do is go to controllers, go to Real Wii Remote, and go to Close. And then we'll go to Open, Wii Sports. And it hasn't connected. That's strange. Let me. It's connected in here. Go to Controllers. Real Wii Remote. That is correct. Let me just try shutting this down. Let me shut Dolphin down. Let me go back onto it. Dolphin. It's still connected to our Mac or whatever computer you're using, as long as you've connected it. And okay, let's go back to opening the game. Okay, there we go. So we just had to make sure Dolphin is not on when you connect it. So now that it's connected, we'll press A. Goes through that. No sound because I've turned the sound off. And as you can see, it's detecting B, A, and it will detect motion as well. If we go to tennis, let me increase the size of this window a bit. And let's go to player one or one player. Yeah, that's fine. Keep going, keep going. So this makes it a lot better at emulating Wii games because using a keyboard and mouse to emulate some stuff isn't too bad, but most of it you're going to want the original input devices. So I can swing up, swing, and as you can see I'm able to swing. It's a bit laggy because I'm recording as well, and it's on the Mac, which doesn't have very good graphics hardware for gaming, and I got that one. I'm actually going to quit out of here because you can see that it's working. Now I'm going to show you how to connect up a Nunchuck. If we go to boxing before we connect it, go to one player, select the me. It'll come up now and it's saying connect up a Nunchuck. Got a Nunchuck right here, and all you have to do is literally plug it in, and there we go. It's okay. The hardest part is literally, it's not that hard, but the hardest part is connecting up the Wii remote. Once you've done that, any peripherals that connect to it, just plug it in and it'll actually connect because it gets all the power and all the connection through the Wii remote. So I'm just going to quickly show you this working with left and right hand, and then we'll be done. And obviously you can use this for any game that you want. You're not restricted to just this particular game, and you can connect any other Wii accessory in a similar manner. So as you can see, I'm able to move left and right, right punch, and left punch, and that's all there is to see for connecting up a Wii remote and a Nunchuck for certain games on Dolphin on the Wii emulator. Like I said, I'm doing it on Mac, but the process is exactly the same once you have connected up the remote to your computer via Bluetooth. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.